This wholeness can be communicated even with sight or with touch or even without it. And so Jesus is always present. We have seen how Moses was not able to understand how he would feed the people in the desert. There's nothing in the desert. But God had already ordained how it would happen. And all he needed to do was trust in God. But he was trusting in himself. How can I do this? I can't do it. Yes, we can't do. But God knows what he wants to do. And therefore we must be attuned to God. So prayer basically helps us to be attuned to that communication of God by which we know that he cares for us and that he provides for everything. Look at what happened to John Mary Vianney. He went to this village and God in him saw the people and through him had compassion. But what did John himself do? He purified himself, he reoriented himself so that he could be one with God, bringing all the people to him. And in that way, he was a mediator for the people, and thousands of people came to him. When he died, it seems there were 300 priests who celebrated the Mass, and there were 6,000 people. So imagine at that time, there were so many people for him. Why? Because he made God present. And how did he do it? He looked into God, and God looked into him, and God communicated to him what he had to say, what he had to do, and how he had to do it. So this is what any parish priest is called to do, to look after the fold of God, not only to the Christians, but even others who are there. So you're a pastor, you're a shepherd for everybody, and everyone should be included in it. And he himself said, when we love God, we have a universal love for everyone. No one is excluded. And that is what a pastor, a shepherd needs to do. Let us pray for them, that they also, in whichever form of prayer they have, they look into the eyes of God, and God looks into them and communicates all his plans to them so that through them he can work out his salvation for his people.